everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about coupons in Odoo 18 sales. So in Odoo, sales coupons are a powerful tool that intensifies customers and boost sales. They allow you to offer discounts or other benefits to the customer who use a specific code during the checkout process. So let's dive into the sales module to configure with the coupons. First, you just need to go to the configuration settings where you can find the promotions, loyalties, and gift cards. This would allow you to manage the promotions, coupons, loyalty cards, gift cards, and e-wallet. So once you have made the changes in the configuration settings, the next step is that you can just move on to the product and choose discounts and loyalty. Where you can see we have created a program over here with free shipping. So here you can choose a program type as coupon. This would generate and share coupon codes manually, and it can be used in e-commerce, point of sales, or other regular orders to claim the reward. So you can define a constraints on its usage through the conditional rule. So here we are just going to use this coupon for making a free shipping. And the currency applied in this program is USD, and you can also set a validity period by setting the start date and end date. You can also limit the usage by setting the number. And this coupon comes under my company San Francisco, and currently we have made it available in sales. Here we know that this can be make it available in e-commerce and point of sale. As we haven't installed that module, you won't be able to find that options under the available on field. Now we just need to set the constraints, that is the rules and reward. So under the conditional rule, I'll be setting if the customer purchases minimum one quantity and not setting any other conditions such as minimum purchase amount or with a particular product category or product tag over here. So, whenever the customer purchases just one quantity, the customer will be getting a free shipping. So, if you want to set a maximum discount and all, we can just set that. For the time being, here we are only providing the reward over here as free shipping. So, once you made the changes, you can close this wizard, and here you can see there are five coupons currently available. To generate a new coupon, you can just click on generate coupon, and we can set the coupon for anonymous customers, which means we won't be knowing to whom that coupon is generated. But if you are setting it as selected customer, then the coupon will be generated for the selected customer. I would like to generate the coupons for anonymous customer with a quantity of 10, and let's click on generate. Here it is mandatory to provide the description. So let's provide it as free shipping. Afterwards, you can just click on generate coupon. So here you can see that the count is just increased, and you can see we can just copy the code. I would like to copy the code from here. So whenever the customer purchases one item, the customer will be getting a free shipping. Now let's move on to the orders, and under the quotation, we can just create a new quotation from the scratch by filling out the details of the customer. I'm going to choose my all-time favorite customer, which is Azure Interior Barton Freeman, and you can choose a product. So I'm going to choose a product table management box with 10 quantity over here. So currently the product is just out of stock, or we don't have sufficient quantity in our stock. Now let's move on to the coupon codes, and here we can just paste the code, and once you paste the code, you can see that you can just apply over here. So you can choose the reward which is free shipping. So let's choose that and click on again apply. And here you can see that we are not applying any transportation charge for delivering the cable management box to the customer. So that's how we just make use of the coupon in Odoo 18 sales, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.